Hey guys, how's it going? So currently I'm working on the taillights of the C5. As you can see, we have 3 of them installed and they are the cleared taillights. It's been an interesting experience trying to install these, honestly. There's been a ton of trial and error. I personally haven't seen anyone else open up their taillight lenses on their C5. So at first I tried to open up the lens just by, doing the normal thing by heating it and baking it in the oven, trying to get all the sealant off. Turns out these taillights are actually plastic welded and not sealed. So the next thing that I thought to do would be, to get a Dremel and just Dremel around the lenses. On the lenses that we use the Dremel on, it made it super easy to get the lens off, but there's a little groove in the taillight housing, and where the Dremel made the plastic so hot, it actually melted the plastic in that groove, so we couldn't get the new lenses on. In order to get that red plastic out of there, we had to heat up with the heat gun super hot on the taillight housing until the plastic melted pretty much, and just scrape all the red out of there. The best way that we found after all these different methods was actually just taking a hammer and smashing the red lenses and getting pliers and just pulling out the pieces around the outside edge of the lens. It eliminated us pretty much getting a bunch of melted plastic in the groove. And then after that, we just got a ton of sealant and just sealed all the lenses. And this one is currently still sealing. But if you are for some reason wanting to open up your taillight lenses, the best way is to actually just break them. It sounds wrong and it absolutely feels terrible while you're doing it, but it's the best way. I'm gonna let this last lens dry and then we're gonna take the car outside, maybe go get some pictures, but I'll see y'all whenever we install the last lens. Alrighty guys, so it's been a few hours since I started sealing this taillight and it's pretty much sealed. So I'm gonna try and melt this taillight up and we'll see what it looks like and take it outside. All right, so all 4 of them have been installed. They're a little different, which I kind of enjoy, and I think they're gonna look really good with the wrap color. So I guess I'll back the car up and show y'all what it looks like in reverse, and with the brakes on, also show y'all what it looks like in the sunlight. Here's what they look like in the sunlight. I'm gonna try and see if they have any clear ones of these, and then clear a third brake light just to match. Kind of complements the wheels. I have heard that these taillights are actually no longer being made and that they're rare to come by. I would throw a link in the description where y'all could buy them, but honestly I don't know who makes them or if they're even made anymore. Sorry I didn't get a installation video. I was too busy trying to figure out how to crack open these lenses and make that work. I'll give y'all one last look and hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we'll see y'all in the next one.